M1 Personal Loan Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people searching for personal loans think all lenders are the same, but M1 positions itself as a convenient online marketplace to compare loan options quickly. M1 connects borrowers with a network of lenders offering personal loans for debt consolidation, home improvement, medical expenses, or emergencies. One standout feature is its simple online interface, where you enter basic information and instantly see multiple loan options, including rates, terms, and potential monthly payments. Most people get this wrong. They assume applying through a comparison site guarantees the lowest rate. The surprising truth is that your credit score and financial history still determine the offers you receive. M1 itself doesn't lend money. It simply matches you with lenders, which means rates vary, and pre-qualification may affect your credit score differently depending on the lender. Another advantage is speed. You can complete an application in minutes, and some lenders provide instant or next-day funding. This can be a lifesaver for urgent financial needs. The platform also helps borrowers understand fees, interest rates, and repayment schedules before committing. However, there are considerations. Because M1 works with multiple lenders, terms and eligibility criteria differ widely. High-risk borrowers may receive limited options or higher rates. Additionally, while the platform is free to use, the responsibility to read lender agreements carefully is on the borrower. In conclusion, M1 is a useful tool for comparing personal loan options quickly and efficiently. It's ideal for borrowers who want a clear overview of multiple lenders, but you must carefully review each loan's terms to ensure it fits your financial situation. Subscribe for more honest personal finance reviews before you apply for a loan online.